Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you why I purchased the DJI FPV drone. So let's dive into it. Better said, let's fly into it and I'll show you what I mean. There we are, up and running. Hope you guys can hear me okay. And this is why I bought this FPV drone right here. So you could do, I'm sports mode now, you can just rock and roll. My headset's not on right. Something, yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's better. Sports mode for now. Yeah, one of the reasons I bought this so I can get to the location faster, quicker, and get these unbelievable shots, right? Getting a little bit of a warning there. Gonna skim the water a little closer and get underneath this bridge. It detected the bridge on my goggles and testing the penetration on this thing, and I am cruising pretty fast here. There's a bunch of guys here doing their rafts, and I think they're going to be running this rapids right here, right there, and there's the first set going through. See that? And this kind of flying, it's almost impossible with the Mavic 2 Pro or the Air 2 as an example. And there they are, they're doing the run. See that? My signal is just super strong. This is why I bought this drone. It's just amazingly fast, unbelievable clarity through the goggles. I can do everything I need to do that I'd really push my Mavic, my FPVs, really hard to do. To get to the location, chase those kayakers, chase the train. It was really hard to do. I wouldn't go under bridges today. I have no problems going under bridges. I just have so much control. Yeah, I'm tempted to go under the bridge, but I'm not. I'm not going to be that crazy. I'm sitting at 83% battery. Let's watch this run here. See that? Penetration is still really good down this far down the river, guys. You're going to stay up a little higher. The wife's raft is probably going to pop big time. And I am now 1.2 kilometers away. I'm spinning around. I'm going to go look at the sun, see how the camera does. And watch these two last guys coming through here. So it's amazing that I'm way back there behind the buildings. they took the nice easy path over here, it looks like. But there you go, guys. This is why I bought it. I'm almost approaching 1.3 kilometers away. So it's a good ways away. I hear the train coming by. Yeah. Try to get through here without flying over people is a challenge. If you like the contents of the channel, as usual, subscribe. Appreciate you watching, and I want to thank you ahead of time for subscribing. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Look at that. Amazing, right? And I see my home point down there, and I'm still a newbie at this, so I have to be careful. And there's the train. Cruising pretty fast, guys. I hear the train approaching my location. I'm sure you guys can hear it too. Man, it's loud, right? And that's why I brought this drone, guys. I'm not going to hit any trees. I just hit the brakes, I guess. 50% battery. trouble there, guys, because I lost my GPS signal. I'm sorry, my signal. Coming back. 38% battery. And there's the end of the train. I'm gonna land it right here, 29% battery. Okay, very good. Now I'm gonna go get my drone. Okay, so now I am walking around the build, around the fence. Woof, caught an edge. Almost went down. All right, guys, so that's the end of the flight. Had an amazing time flying it. Now you know why I purchased this drone. It's amazingly fast, unbelievable, a good camera, and you got the reliability of the DJI product line. Unfortunately, we do not have the durability of an FPV freestyling drone, but this is a fast flying FPV drone. Cinematic fast flying FPV drone. Yeah. Amazing. Just amazing. Incredible. Yeah, it's just so futuristic, it's unbelievable. Really enjoyed it. My time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video too. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents of the channel as usual, subscribe. Boom. Smash that subscribe button, guys. Alright. I'll see you guys around. Bye-bye.